As I've said, there will be more and more news. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell to not miss out on any news. I am back, and the latest is Paseka Mako and Kaizer Chiefs are in advanced talks. After Paseka Mako parted ways with Orlando Pirates officially yesterday, he is now in advanced talks with Kaizer Chiefs. And this is according to SABC Sport, a very reliable source. Paseka Mako, 31 years of age, left back, good left back, and after signing, in fact, we are close to signing Apiwe Paliti from SuperSport United. We are now going to sign Paseka Mako, meaning we would have completed two signings in the left back position. I'm not sure, man, on this signing. Paseka Mako, yes, he is a good player. I believe he's better than our current first choice left back, which is Bradley Cross. But then I also look at the age, 31 years of age, but then he can give you a good 2 seasons. Having him and Paliti wouldn't be a bad idea. Mako comes in with experience, and Paliti, talented young player. So there's a balance there. But then I also have some questions, if he is good enough, why did Orlando Pirates release him and keep a 34-year-old Dion Hocho? That's the question I'm asking myself. If he's good enough, why did Orlando Pirates release him? Yes, Orlando Pirates are currently a better side than us, but then I look at their left back options. It's Dion Hocho. Who else? I can't think of anyone else. So that worries me. But then I can't say we shouldn't sign him, especially with him being a free agent. Why not? As I've said in my previous video, we do need experienced players, and now we can officially confirm that Kaizer Chiefs will not go for Fawaz Basadin, because we are going to complete 2 left back signings, plus what we currently have. There's a Pimashiane there, there's Bradley Cross, Edmilson Dove maybe on his way out. So meaning we currently have 4 left backs. So I don't see Kaizer Chiefs going to spend plus minus 20 million on Fawaz Basadin. So expect Paseka Mako to be our first choice left back next season, with Apiwe Paliti being the second option. That would be a great competition. But then let me know in the comment section what you think of this move. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.